Hi guys, so this is my presentation of my preliminary exam in my subject, which is the computer productivity tools. So before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Ryan Alcazar and I'm from VSHM 206. So this is a 5 shortcut of using MS Word or applicable to MS Word. So first shortcut to the copy. So I'm gonna show you to how to do it the copy. So let's select this text and CTRL plus C. Select na natin. So, second shortcut, uh, which is the paste. So, copy and paste. Paste is the copied or the cut, or the cut the text. So, before, let, let make the space. And CTRL plus V. CTRL plus V. So, na-select na natin or na-paste na natin. So, third shortcut is cut. So, kung tapos na tayo or namali tayo ng text, so pwede natin i-cut yung text is to remove the selected text. So, let's select this text and cut it. So, CTRL plus X. So, ngayon, nakat na nga natin is fourth shortcut, which is the undo. So, para ibalik tong nakat natin na text. So, how to do it the undo? So, CTRL plus J. CTRL plus J. So, bumalik na yung text natin. So, if you finish this document or if you finish your output, if you want, pwede na natin i-save yung document. So, how to save a document na i-shortcut. So, CTRL plus save. So, pag control plus save mo na, control plus save, is masasave na yung ang ginawa mong output or document. So, this is my 5 shortcut. This is my 5 shortcut in MS Word. So, thank you for watching my presentation.